Hi, here's an issue that we found in MetTeam version 3.4, specifically build 66, that you need to be aware of because it may cause some issues. So what I have here is I have a brand new work order, right, that I just created. Um, the bug is involved the standards tab, specifically when you add a new standard. If you add a standard before you commit any of your data that you've been editing, you're going to lose those changes, as I'll show in a minute. So I'm going to go to a fairly basic work order here. I'm going to pretend like I'm just kind of testing something. So select it as a pass. I'm going to enter a temperature. I'm going to enter a humidity. I'm going to click my initial condition, and as you saw, the work order results, right? I'm going to go ahead and I am going to not save my changes, which is what you want to do. That's the workaround, is to click save right now. But if you don't, and you go to the standards tab and you go to add a standard, and I have a 5560 here in my database that I'm going to add. I'm just going to add one standard and I'm going to select OK. Notice the standard gets correctly added, but then MetTeam redraws the screen, and when it redraws the screen, I still have my standard that I just added, but I have lost all those changes that I failed to commit to the database. So that's going to be the workaround. The workaround is to do add the standard, or sorry, either add the standard before you enter any of this other data, or kind of teach yourself mentally that before you click this button, you want to make sure that the save button isn't enabled. So either way will work if you add the standard first and then edit the rest of the data, or if you make sure you click the save button before you add any standards. This last little bit is going to be for anybody that may have a data check that's telling them that their standards are missing. If you're in that situation, you will need to do something to stop the data check to fire. Most likely that'll mean changing your status from complete or awaiting QA to something else like in work. Then when you click save, the data check will probably not fire. It'll let the data get saved, committed to the database. Then you can add your standard. Then you can change your status back to complete or awaiting QA. Then you can click save and the data check should then pass. So for those of you with data checks dealing with standards, you may have a little bit extra work to do. Hope this is useful. Thanks and sorry for the inconvenience.